Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, Flowchart Logic. In this C program, we have a main function that takes three integer inputs, n, x, and y. These represent the range of numbers and two divisors, respectively. We initialize a counter variable ctr to 1 and enter a while loop that continues until ctr is less than n. Inside the loop, we have a series of conditions to check if ctr is a divisor of either x or y. The conditions x%ctr equals 0 and y%ctr equals 0 check if ctr is a divisor of either x or y. If this condition is true, we enter a nested block where we check for an additional condition using x%y equals 0 y%x equals 0. This checks if either x is a multiple of y or vice versa. If the nested condition is true, we print the current value of ctr using printf %d ctr. The loop increments ctr by 1 in each iteration. Finally, outside the loop, we print the value of n using printf %d n. In summary, this program finds and prints the numbers from 1 to n that are common divisors of either x or y and satisfy the additional condition of being multiples of each other. The output is a list of such numbers separated by spaces. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.